Okay, is this the future of website homepages and maybe even just websites in general? This is a company called Better. They're a mortgage company. I've known Better for years. Better is they've always been really good with their website UX. Like they've always had really future thinking web UXs. But take a look at this. They basically converted their entire homepage into a conversational UI. This is better.com homepage. Look at this. This is the only thing on their homepage. Okay. And there's no images, there's no text blocks, there's no distractions. It's just like, what are you looking for? And I love this for so many reasons. Number one, this matches the answer first UX that people are now kind of expecting from, interfacing so much with ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. But also, like, from a marketing perspective, it really addresses the visitor's intent of the homepage, which if you think about the homepage of a website is really not like bottom of funnel content. It's more like a catch-all for people that are trying to get somewhere deeper on your website. And this essentially gets them to the conversion faster. So look at this. It's like when someone lands on the homepage, they don't want to browse, right? They don't want like content blocks and images and text. That takes effort, right? Typically, when someone gets to the homepage, they have a question or they have a goal, and really they're just trying to get to the place on your website as fast as possible without having to think too much. That's what makes for a really good website UX. And this just does that remarkably. But also notice a couple of other things too. There are these pre-built prompts. Start my pre-approval, lower my rate, get cash. Think about these prompts, for example, for a minute. These prompts, these are bottom of funnel prompts. These are suggesting that, well, even if you don't know what question you want to ask, hey, maybe you should start a pre-approval or, go to a landing page that is going to, help you start saving on your mortgage rate or get a personal loan, whatever this get cash. But these are, excuse me, these are bottom of funnel prompts. Also, and I've been saying this on my webinars now for a long time, as we move into this answer first architecture world where people are spending the majority of their time in AI solving their problems, your webpage content really should only be bottom of funnel content to capture conversions. And they're doing this impeccably. So I think this UX is done well just from an AI conversion optimization perspective and really just in general. Like it gives the user exactly what they want right here. And then if they want to go deeper, even look at the links in their nav. All these links, these are bottom of funnel links. Apply now, check the rates, refinance, apply now, home equity, apply now, calculate your cash. You can't even get to their service pages. It's like they're handling answer first architecture here, basically this whole zero click thing. They're handling it right here. They're saying, whatever you want, ask about it. And if you want to click somewhere, you can, but we're going to take you to a bottom of funnel landing page experience, right? So from a strictly CRO perspective, this is masterful. Well, I got so inspired by this that I built a conversational interface into Generator. So if you go to Generator and you look at the website templates, you'll see now that there's a web embedded chatbot. And if you have a HubSpot website, you can now, all you have to do is just add the HubSpot chat widget to your page. And Generator, if you turn this feature on, is just going to embed the HubSpot chatbot directly into the page. So you can create a conversational interface. And this will allow HubSpot customers, I'm thinking they're going to use this to embed chatbots, live chat, but even now Breeze AI customer agents. So now you can embed these experiences right into the website page. Right? So this is me talking to me, essentially, through a chatbot. I want to talk to someone, right? And this whole chat experience is happening right within the context of an actual website page. So if you have Generator or if you have a HubSpot website and you have Generator, you can just build this in there. In any case, this is how I get inspiration for building things into Generator. I go around the web, I see cool stuff like this, and if I think it's a good addition to Generator, I build it. So in any case, I think this is where websites are heading. I think the home pages are going to be these sort of answer first architecture where it's replicating this AI chat interface that people are getting used to. And it's also such a good way to just get a passive browser of your website to the pages that they're looking for, and also the pages that matter to you and your bottom line. So yeah, I think this is really cool. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm genuinely curious because this is a massive shift in the way websites are created. So what do you guys think? Let me know. I think this is super cool.